I wanted to make a dramatic entrance. So what do we have here? I have a new guitar tune box today. I have a new guitar pedal, a budget guitar pedal that I've been curious and I wanted to check out for a while. So shout out to the guys at Dona for sending me the guitar and the pedal. Now this is an acoustic guitar. It's supposed to be a guitar that fits into your bag or your baggage when you're traveling. Now if you fly a lot, you know it could be a pain. And you've been seeing the videos all around of guitars getting tossed, getting broken into, getting shattered, even when you have a hard case on. So having a portable guitar that you can actually hold. I mean, look at the package. Like, yeah. I know I'm using a wide angle and it's kind of exaggerating the size a little bit, but it's pretty small. And let's see what this is all about. Let's do some unboxing, shall we? By the way, this video is not sponsored. They did send me the guitar for free. I get to check it out and share my honest opinion about the gear. But Jonah has been making nice guitars and guitar gears for a while, so I have no doubt about this one. So let's go. I still don't have a huge budget for an unboxed table, but this is an unboxed carpet, and I hope that works well. Oh yeah, triple threat, which is supposed to be like an analog 3 pedal effect for your guitar, going straight to the front of the amp, if that's something that you guys still do these days. You have your echo, and you have your phaser, and you have your distortion. I believe this was designed in conjunction with Jack White. This is an analog pedal, and it has, sorry, my son is here playing the drums, so maybe I have to cut this part out. Okay. So we have this. This is a triple chart. Pretty nice. You have your phaser, you have your adjustment here. It's like having 3 analog pedals in one. Your 9-volt power supply here. You have your in and out, out and in here. You also have your individual control for each pedal. Just like having 3 pedals hooked up together to make one super cool pedal, which is kind of cool. Yeah, so you have your phaser, you have your distortion, and you have your echo, which is kind of like a delay. So, but yeah, it's still tape echo, and we're gonna hear how that sounds straight. I like the simplicity, so if you just want just a couple of effects to go, trust me, I can get through any gig with this. I would like to check out, and it also comes with a power supply. That is nice to have these days, and of course your user manual tells you what control does and all that good stuff. Your phaser, your distortion, and all that. And that's pretty much a simple package. Now for the elephant in the room, we have the guitar, the travel guitar, the quiet guitar, quiet travel guitar. I hope I'm saying all that right. All right. My son is here in the studio. He's with the cables and the drums, and that's his vibe. And it's all right to unbox with Daddy today. They were really generous with these tapes. Okay. They spared no expense with taping. This is the Hush X from Duna, and it comes in its own gig bag, which is cool. And look at this. This could actually be your carry-on package. You could have this with your backpack and fly with this. But the main question is, how does it sound? Right? Unzip the front where you have all the goodies. You have a tuner. That's cool. You have, quarter-inch cables. You have a battery. Oh, that's nice. So it does have active pickups in it, which is a good sign. And what else do you have here? You have a clean cloth to clean things up. You also do have, what do we have here? Comes with a lot of goodies. Oh, a set of Duna in-ear monitors. That's nice. How many drivers does this have? Oh, it's just a single driver. Okay, we should make it work. You have in-ear monitors, which is good. Oh, we're not done with the parts. Oh, you have your belts, guitar belts. Or for the bag rather. Oh, you have your strap, and you have a handle to carry the case, which makes sense. And what do we have here? So these are the attached handles to the guitar, which we'll come to in a second. We'll put it together. They're pretty steady. They're metal. So that should bring the guitar to like a nice shape when you're ready. All right, that's all the goodies here. Sorry for the baby knives. Okay, here's the guitar itself. Oof. So one thing you notice here, it is headless. And it's weird looking. Almost the size of an ukulele. Right, this is headless. You do all your tuning from the bottom. If you're familiar with this type of guitars, you definitely know. If you have the Floyd bridge, you're already familiar with this type of setup here. Oh yeah. So you do have your electric pickups here. You have humbuckers and a single coil. And you have your switch selectors here, and you have your volume and tone right here. All right, and this is where you put the other part of the guitar. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Lock that part in, pull backwards, and snaps in. All right, there we go. So this is the old vibe of the guitar. It's small, it's portable. You can remove these handles. They just, you pull them and they kind of just get off. I don't think you can do them with one hand while holding it, but it should be easy. Oh yeah, just pull it out and take it off. It's kind of convenient for when you don't want to take your full guitar rig somewhere. And these are active pickups, so it should be good. Oh, so you gotta make sure you actually lock them in properly. Okay, you want to hear that click? Yep. You want to hear that click? That click is very important, and yeah, it comes off if you need them to. And if you need to put them back in, just pull up and make sure the holes are aligned. And you can actually do it all with one hand, which is what I just said. Yeah. So let's plug these up to my guitar amp. In this case, I'll be using my Princeton, and let's see how he sounds. The cool thing about the guitar is you can actually just use it with headphones. You can switch between your active pickups and passive pickups, which is pretty neat. I'm not sure you guys can see it under, but you have a switch for active and passive pickups. You have an headphone out, and you have a small, monitor out if you don't have an amp. So I'm gonna set it to passive mode because I'm sending the guitar into a real amp. And that's it going to an amp. You also have that option to plug in headphones in and just jam. So what do I really think about this? The guitar is unique. It takes a few minutes to get used to, but once you get a grasp of it, it's perfect. It's good. Like, I can travel with this as my second guitar, as my backup guitar, and just have it on stage just in case. And if you want to, play around in the hotel, this is also a good guitar. It's a good performance guitar. It lacks nothing when it comes to performance. It will take a little getting used to, but it does the thing and it does it well. I like the acoustic-like voicing, and I also like that you can actually, push it to that edge of breakup, or even break up if you, depending on your vibe. So that's one thing. Will I buy this? Absolutely yes. Do I recommend it? Absolutely yes. The pedal, I like the old vibe of it. The distortion is great. It's not that, but it's not a boutique pedal. It's affordable and it works. It does what it does well. You would get by any gig with this gear setup. So if you're just new and you're trying to get into guitar and sounds and experiment with effects and just need a portable guitar, I will definitely recommend the guitar and the effects. Shout out to Donna for sending this gear in, and if you like videos like this, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Peace out. Remember, don't stop creating.